Okay, we had to roll up the window. We're under attack. We are under bison attack.
Oh, God.
We had to roll up the windows.
Don't dent my car.
I felt the tongue of a bison.
I can't move. Move. Move your butt. Move. Thank you. He's huge.
They're blocking the road. He is huge. Look at him.
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to get a head in your window. Look at you. I'll feed him. Okay, now. Okay, we have a... Oh, he's making love to the hood of your car. Oh, good Lord.
No, don't scratch my car.
No.
Oh, my God.
Do you have bison insurance?
No. Move.
I have bison spit on my hand right now.
I got bison boogers on my
You got
door.
bison boogers on your door? Okay, that's cool.
No.
Where is the baby one? I wanted to look at the baby.
I think the baby's
buffalo.
in front of us.
Okay. Oh, God. These guys were huge. Okay. Now I can roll down the window.